garter snakes loving the heat. Okay. So today, I brought a lot of seeds for the midsummer planting. Got a whole list actually. I will forget otherwise. I'm gonna do the daikons, which are longer term. They're gonna be ready kind of Thanksgiving. Beans, peas, carrots, beets. So just a lot of root crop. And then we're gonna harvest, or at least we're gonna look to see if we can harvest some beans and some zooks. In this part of Ontario, we just got about 1.5 to 2 inches of rain in about 24 hours. This happened a few days ago, say 3 days ago. So the zooks will be good. So the to-dos for today, I'm gonna try and just kind of carve out as many beds as I can to plant everything I just said. I didn't actually bring any row cover, but that's okay. We still have about a week before we even need that. Yeah. Not bad. You got a few 3-4 inchers. Here are the French breakfasts I've let bolt. Looking good. I see a lot of flowers. No pod formation yet. Definitely a few flowering. You could see zook here, here. I got about, say, a dozen. Okay, so this is the carrot diary. I got 3 rows. This one here is the imperators. They go all the way to the end. The middle is the yaya. This one are the nantes, which go all the way to the stick. Here I got like a grid of 5 every 6 inches of daikon radishes. Here is Grundy peas. Here are the 2 beds of provider bush beans, which are these in the earlier succession. I've yet to weed both of these. But that's the midsummer seeding. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time.